Are you looking to attract more members to your fitness or yoga club? Today, we'll walk you through proven strategies to bring in new clients and grow your community. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Identify the specific service you want to promote. Whether it's yoga sessions, personal training, or group fitness classes, narrowing your focus helps create targeted, effective campaigns. Next, define your audience. Are you targeting busy professionals, families with kids, or fitness enthusiasts looking for advanced programs? Understanding who you're speaking to is key to creating the right message. Step 3. Host a free event to showcase your offerings. Here are 2 ideas. A beginner yoga class. Invite people to a 2-hour free session led by your best instructor. Or a family open day. Include activities like kids' yoga classes, a health lecture for parents, and free smoothies at your club's bar. This is a powerful way to build trust and show potential clients what makes your club unique. Step 4. Optimize your website or create a special landing page for the event. Highlight your services with targeted messages, vibrant photos, and engaging videos. Add personal invites from your trainers, addressing different audience groups like families or adults looking to kickstart their fitness journey. Step 5. Create irresistible lead magnets like free passes to your beginner class or open day. Use sign-up forms to collect contact details and start building a relationship with potential members. Step 6. Launch targeted ad campaigns on Google Ads, Facebook, and Instagram. Direct these ads to your optimized landing page with clear calls to action. Step 7. Use automated email marketing to follow up with leads. Segment your audience. For example, families might appreciate updates on kid-friendly programs, while yoga enthusiasts could get exclusive class offers. Share compelling content like membership discounts for attendees or tips for staying active. Finally, Step 8. Keep the momentum going after your event. Send emails highlighting the benefits of fitness, club updates, and special offers. For those who missed the event, follow up with motivational messages and an invite to your next free session. Promoting your fitness club doesn't have to be overwhelming. With a little creativity and the right tools, you can attract new members and build a thriving community.